What's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. As you guys can probably see, I built myself a workbench. I put a 4.5 inch Irwin vise on it. $100 lumber, built it myself. So that's pretty sweet. Today we got Huff in the cut. Huff the Cocker Spaniel. What's up, bud? Can you speak? Speak. Come on, speak. Woo! Woo! Okay, enough of that. I bought some parts. Got Fox Float MXR air shock for the rear. Has air volume adjustment, rebound control, and it can be pressured up to 300 psi. So that's going to be really sweet. Hopefully that lifts up the back a bit. We got Two Brothers Racing 1-inch extension chromoly legs, some HD bushings, and that kit comes with an extended brake cable. So I did some reading online and people said that Two Brothers Racing springs, they just get slammed, so I went with the BBR springs, and those are going to be really sweet too. Got a BBR Skidplate. The Moose Racing Footpeg springs. As you guys saw in the last video, the stock pegs don't come with springs, and they are a different design than your stock springs. So you need to upgrade to aftermarket ones. So hopefully those fit. I got 2 sets. Liebrant was riding the whole last season without springs. I don't know if he's bought some, but I got some for him anyways. Then we got the Tusk fuel screw in black. So I'm gonna install the small stuff first, and then I'll get to the suspension.
And I want you to be mine.
Those Footpeg springs are real snappy. BBR Skidplate now even has a oil plug access, which is good. But main thing is protecting that and also my exhaust. We did those 2 things, and then we did this air fuel adjuster, so it has numbers on it. I went 2.5 turns out, so we'll see how it runs like that. Next step is the suspension component.
Come on, let's go. You want me to come, you want me to go. And if you wanna fight, let's start a show. Cause I want you to be mine. Stand up in the club, come on, let's go. And I want you to come, I won't let you go.
So as you guys can see, I got the front fork legs installed, front wheels installed. And just to recap, I installed this Fox Float air fuel screw adjuster, and also Footpeg springs. So I cleaned up the bench a bit, and I'm going to wheel the bike back on here, and I'm going to take some measurements and see what we actually got for lift. So I put the plastics back on and took some measurements, and I have over 2 inches extra of clearance now. As you can see, to get my kickstand to sit level, I had to put 3 3/4 pieces of plywood in there. So that would be 2 1/4 inches, which is about what I'm getting for total lift. So this is huge for this bike. before it was just kid suspension for a 5-year-old, and now I have something I can tune, and it's gonna put it a little bit up in the air and give me some ground clearance and some ability to jump the thing a little bit better. So there's that. That's the video. I still have a little bit more to do with the Fox float. I have to dial in the sag and adjust pressures and see what I like and what fits my body. Thanks for watching, guys, and tune in next time.